3, 2. There's the wind speed there, look.
Right, you guys stand back.
Oh, here we go. The hair's going to get thrashed.
That's so bad.
That's so stupid. Yeah.